Hey, this is Pat, Associated Siding Remodeling, Omaha, Nebraska. For this house we just finished in Council Bluffs, Iowa. This is Mastic Quest panel, 25'6" long pieces. We have no seams here, no seams here, no seams anywhere on the side, like that. We have the channels perfectly as my son likes to do, always likes to do. We have corner posts, inside corner, we just got one piece of channel. It's a nice clean look. New vinyl gable vents on this house. Don't have to paint them, don't have to mess with them, just went over the old metal fence. It's already had the gutter done on it. We put the fascia on the gables. See, the fascia becomes the channel for the siding, so the water can't run down behind the siding. Usually we're relying on caulking to make that work, and caulking usually don't work very well. Vents over here again, and you got your nice clean cuts around the windows. You got no seams. Makes for a really nice clean job. Really looks good. Got 1/2 inch 4x8 sheets of 1/2 inch foam insulation underneath this siding. Get you nice smooth surface to nail to. Siding, windows, roofs, decks, Associated Siding Remodeling,